So mga lods, years ago, I tried my flowers and this is 5 years na. So, ayan. Ito, fresh flower din siya, pero trinay ko upside down. But anyway, on this one, nag-dry din tayo, but we use silica gel. So, ayan. Silica gel compared to air dry. So, maganda rin siya. First collection na hindi siya ganito. So, ito yung first collection ko 5 years ago. It's a dry flower. In upside down ko lang siya. And then, ito yung first collection natin na Resin flowers. So, ayan. So, ito mga lots, yung mga collection natin. Hello everyone, and yeah, let's start cleaning our flowers. Like I said, everybody, this is my first time, and since I like to create something and something new, it makes me like challenging. Which is a love challenge, mga lods. So we will start cleaning our flowers. It's just a little bit challenging, mga lods, to clean our flowers. Make sure it's really clean before we start doing our exciting project. So everyone, did you guys try this before? You guys try to dry your flowers. If you have flowers on your yard, this is what you're gonna do. Just dry it and then put on silica powder. So mga lods, ito yung ating flowers. So I already dried them. And those are the small one. And of course, I have my favorite color. So purple. And we have roses as well. 3 roses, and I don't know what you call this kind of flowers. This is beautiful too, and it's a lavender or purple as well. We have this is red color. So anyway, let's start our project. again to our vlog with my baby. And today is the third day yung ginagawa natin yung ating flowers. But anyway mga lods, after 3 days, dry na siya. Dry na siya mga lods. So ito, so tatanggalin na natin, di ba? Right baby, are you ready? Oh, come on. Get down, okay? So, tara mga lods, tatanggalin na natin. It take a while. So, ngayon, oh my God, sana hindi masira ito. I think we gonna try to do that. Para hindi naman masira yung mold natin. Oh my God. So, ayan. Malapit na. Ang ating, oh my God, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Matatanggal na siya. Matatanggal na. First time to, first time. Excited. O, diba? So, mga nag-aabang dyan, mga lods, ito na. Ito na. Ito na ang ating project. Uy. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oh my God. Day 3. I think some people, they try to wait like a week at least. But, ako, I'm just excited. Oh my God, this our project. Oh my God, our project mga lods. Beautiful! I can't wait. So ngayon mga lods, ayan. Oh my God, I love it. I love it mga lods. And ayan. Ayan. Oh my God! So amazing! Nang ating pinagkaabalahan in 3 days. So, oh my God. Magagawa pa ako ulit. It's not the perfect, pero okay na. O, diba? First time lang naman. So, ngayon, ayan, ang cute. So, mga lods, ito yung ating finale. O, ayan. Dito na tayo mag-vlog kasi para makita niyo mga lods. So, ito yung project natin for, took me forever to dry my flowers. But anyway, it's worth it mga lods. Ayan. So, meron na naman tayong first collection mga lods. This is my first collection. So, I'm gonna make it another soon. So mga lods, years ago, I tried my flowers and this is 5 years na. So ayan. Ito, fresh flower din siya, pero trinay ko upside down. But anyway, on this one, nag-dry din tayo, but we use silica gel. Then, ito yung first collection natin na resin flowers. So, ayan. So, ito mga lods, yung mga collection natin. Ayan, first collection is not the, it's not perfect, pero I'm happy kasi first time ko ito. First time ko gumawa. So, ito yung back niya. Ayan. Naghirap naman tayo na naglagay nito. May nag-dry, but okay naman. Successful naman siya mga lods. So, pag may time ako, iyan ko na naman siya. Isasand ko lang siya dito and then we have to do the final coating. So, ayan mga lods. So, what do you guys think? Ayan. So, comment down below mga lods kung nakagawa na rin ba kayo ng ganito. But anyway, kung meron pa kayong question, ay, sana all. But anyway mga lods, if you have a question or concern about my first, art, just comment down below. Kasi I wanna improve more myself to make this kind of art. Oh, ayan. It's like a jelly only. Jelly cake. I miss making jelly cake, mga lods. So, I think next time, I'm gonna make me jelly cake like this. So, what do you think? So, I can eat it, right? But anyway, I'm just so happy. Ayan. This is my first collection, mga lods. So, anyway. So, paano yan, mga lods? I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Thank you again so much for subscribing and support my channel. I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Bye!